Hello, welcome to English in 15 minutes. Today we're going to talk about the proper use of going to expressing future events, in contrast with the repetitive use of will, so we don't really sound like an airport or a train station announcer.
Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes' time. Thank you.
Let's say that Sarah is in class today, but she has a plan for tomorrow. Her friends invited her to a birthday party, and she's very excited to go. How would you express this situation using going to? Sarah is going to go to a party tomorrow. Now, let's imagine that she also has a football game, but she prefers to go to the party. How would you express this situation? Sarah is not going to go to her football game. Now, let's finally say that she wants her other friends to go, but she's not sure if they also got invited to the party. How would she ask them? Are you going to go to tomorrow's party? Okay, excellent. Let's do some practice about this word order in different sentences. In the following exercise, you will have to order the words so they make perfect sense. Let's begin. This is the first exercise. As you can see, the words have to be in order. How would you start a question? Yes, you will start with what, then are, okay, what is next? Exactly, you going to do after class. Excellent. What are you going to do after class? That is correct. Let's look at this second example. As you can see, this is an affirmative sentence now. How would you start an affirmative sentence? Let's see. Summer, yes. Is, excellent, going to be very hot. That's correct. Let's do a final example. Yes, you can see a negative in here. How would you express this negative sentence? Let's see. Her friends, yes. Are, okay. Not exactly going to go tomorrow. That's perfect. Awesome. Very good job. Okay, now let's make you practice. Okay, so you're gonna have exactly 3 minutes to complete all the following scramble sentences. Okay, so your time is going to start after the image appears. Here you go. Okay, time's up. Did you get them all done? If yes, incredible job. Let's look at the answers and try to highlight some of the difficult ones. Let's look at the first one. And yes, it's a question. Okay, how would you start a question? Okay, yeah, you will definitely start with where. Okay, and then are, of course. Then you as the people. Then going to, go, that's the verb, after the museum. Exactly. Okay, let's look at the second one. Alright, it's also a question. Let's see. What? Very good. Are you going to do? Okay. Next weekend. Alright. Let's skip the third one. Just read it. Are they going to go to the cinema tonight? Okay. And then let's look at the fourth one. In this one you can see that it's a negative and it's a long one. Alright. Okay, as you can see, I am not going to drink coffee. It's the hardest part. Then you just add the complement tomorrow morning. So remember to follow the structure. I am, then not, then going to, then the verb drink. After that, coffee, which is what you drink, then the complement, which is tomorrow morning. Same thing happens with the next one. Very easy. I'm going to clean the kitchen, and then the complement, today. Very good. What about the next one? What is the complement? Okay, yeah, it's soon. Very good. So, pretty much the complement goes at the end. Let's see, who is the subject in here? Alright, your brother, very good, is going to be, very good, that's the verb, here soon as the complement. Very good. Let's read the next ones. Next month is going to be very hot. Okay. Her friends are not going to go tomorrow. And finally, Walmart is going to expand soon. Excellent job. Great job. Now you're able to express different sentences in the correct order to express future situations. Remember Sarah? She's going to go to a party tomorrow, correct? And she's going to help her friend's mom to make a great party. Let's read her story together. Jane is going to give a birthday party for Catherine. Catherine is her daughter. Catherine is going to be 15 years old. A lot of Catherine's friends are going to come to the party. There are going to be 20 girls at the party. Jane is getting ready for the party. Sarah is helping her. That's a pretty cake, Sarah says to Jane. Thank you very much. Are you going to have ice cream? Yes. The man is going to bring it at 4 o'clock. I'm going to have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Jane is going shopping now. She's buying fruit for the party too. These oranges are nice, she says. And those apples? Here are some bananas, the man says. And I have peaches and pears. These grapes are nice and ripe. Jane buys some fruit. She buys a lot of oranges, apples, grapes, and bananas. Then she goes home. It's 3 o'clock now. Everything is ready. Catherine is wearing her new dress. It's a white dress. Now the doorbell is ringing. The first girl arrives. The party is going to start. That was a nice story. Did you like it? I can't wait to see what's going to happen next. Now, in the text, we're going to find as many examples as we can using going to. After the class, you'll have to look at the recording one more time and extract all the possible examples in the different situations. Let's do it. Okay, yes. We have an immediate example at the first line. Jane is going to give a birthday party for Catherine. Excellent job. What about the second line? Absolutely. Catherine is going to be 15 years old. Very good job. Of course, Catherine's friends are going to come to a party. Let's continue. There are going to be 20 girls at the party. Very good. Jane is getting ready for the party. Sarah is helping her. Okay, we don't have going tos in here. What about in the 3 lines ahead? Are you going to have ice cream? Excellent, that's a question. Very good. And then, next line. The man is going to bring it at 4 o'clock. Absolutely. Okay, if you can see, these are all the planning for the birthday party. Okay, I'm going to have vanilla. Excellent. Okay, what about continuing? She's buying fruit for the party? No, not going to. Okay. Alright, these are all the going to examples. Now, you're going to plan Catherine's party. This is your opportunity to create an excellent story to make a wonderful party. This is your assignment, and it's going to be homework for our next lesson. You will have to continue the story in a coherent manner. The story has to have 2 more paragraphs where you will have to write at least 5 sentences per paragraph. Don't forget to use linking devices such as first, second, next, later, after, or finally. You will have to use going to in your sentences. Try to add the extra ones without using going to. For example, these grapes are nice and ripe. Try to be creative. Alright, excellent class. Now you know how to use going to when you express some planning and not really using will for everything. Remember, will, when it sounds repeatedly, sounds like an airport announcer. Thank you very much. See you the next class.